How do you know your name? What?
What?
He said, "Calm down, lad." I think.
Oh.
Don't look, I'm jacking it.
Okay.
He's in the car. Okay.
Se
Yo,
fala
Tides,
português.
bro. Tides. I just see what you were doing on the other screen, bro.
Se fala.
Alright, I can keep doing this in the car. I just have to
No! No, Malima.
Se fala. Tu sabe essa mina a por tu cammino. Se falo português. Tu falo.
To follow, eh?
Do you know what the fuck I'm saying?
More or less. Where are you from?
I'm Hispanic, bro.
Yeah, I think I know. Where are you from, bro?
Eres de la izquierda, ¿eh?
De la izquierda.
Una seta.
¿Hablas español?
Sí, coño.
No.
Bueno.
¿No?
Bueno, yo soy mexicano. I'm Mexican.
You are a gang member, bro. What are you doing?
Me gusta.
You're a thug. Why do you take the beanie off, you thug?
What the fuck?
Okay, let's put something better on, guys. Oh, this is only for the chat. I'm doing this for the chat. Hello,
I do
guys.
this shit early from Monday to Sunday.
Down the street.
This shit ain't right.
Down the street. Cause you know
Crocodile.
you're the one
Don't forget to scream.
for me.
So what the fuck is your problem?
I've not got problem, man. Doing something
You've not got problem, man.
I have nothing.
Why do you
problem.
speak like an indie?
I'm
Whoa.
Arabic. I'm Arab.
What's up, Jake?
Hey, what the fuck you're racing?
No, I'm not. I'm insulting you in your own language.
I'm saying you racing. Hey, stopping. Hey, stopping
You're not.
that.
You don't speak Arabic because that was indie.
You stopping that. You stopping. I'm saying you stopping. Eh, parapati.
You speak like an Indian.
Kurtan ni muruga diak. Kurtan ni
That's
muruga
in Hindi.
Fucking Nick.
What did you say, bro?
I said fuck off, bitch, in Hindi. Kurtan ni muruga diak.
You're racing.
You're racing.
Bro, ain't no way.
You're racing me. You're racing. What are you doing, me?
Naughty. You're
Oh shit, man. Oh shit. You're
crazy,
racing. You like Indian. You're Arabic. You're more Arab. That is fucking bot. Look at me and my dick if you're real. Sorry, man. Hello.
No cap.
Hello.
Bro. Drake.
Hello. Hello.
Oh
shit, man. Hello, man. Oh, you're jerking. Sorry. Hello, man. Hello, you are liking Arabic?
Look at your voice crack, man.
Yeah, man, I'm liking Arabic.
Okay. Parapati. Parapati.
I'd give you party.
Okay. Kotan nimaruga diak. Don't, you are racing. Don't. Hello, you are racing.
Naughty, you're teasing me.
You're teasing.
Jacob, why you feel sad?
Hello.
Whoa. Naughty, you're teasing me.
Kotan nimaruga diak.
Party.
Parapati. No.
I love the party. I love the party. Why are you wearing goggles?
Hey, party. Sorry.
You're crazy, bro.
I get locked in on here, bro, when it's like, what time is it? Fucking 11 for me.
Some people from your life that you lost. Yo, same, Jacob, but you know, yeah.
On go, bro.
They'd rather you be here, bro. They'd rather you be here.
What, a monkey?
Oh, yo. On this planet, dude, they'd rather you be
In
here on this
RBT.
planet, bro.
On a Mac, because I'm on OG.
Good.
No, you
You did.
Yeah, but Jacob, is Jacob in the chat?
Yeah, he is. He is. He is.
Or W Jacob. What's good?
Yo.
Alright, so
What's that? What's that thing in the background?
this?
Yeah,
I have no idea.
it looks like Buddha.
It's
know.
what?
Looks like Buddha.
The fuck is that? Like the Buddha, you know, like Buddhas.
Yeah.
I don't believe in that.
Damn.
The-
What the fuck?
Yo, what's good?
Oh my god, man.
Hola.
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 ¿Hablas español?
Sí, un poquito.
Guay, qué bueno.
Qué bueno. Hablo español,
Sí.
sí, Gil. Hablo español, sí, hermano.
Ah, vale. He does speak Spanish because he's from South America.
Yes, speaking English también.
Ah, qué guay. Nada más en inglés.
Speaking English.
Nada más.
Está bien,
Only.
está bien. Y what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
On here, trying to jerk people off.
Ah, good, man. Good.
Did he skip or you skip, bro? Did he skip?
I skipped. Oh, good, bro.
This dude, Mr. Worldwide, in here, bro.
Oh, I love this shit. Yeah, I know loads of languages, though.
What's up, bitch ass niggas?
Okay. That's not a nice word.
Yo.
No, wait, no,
You're good, bro.
please,
You're
no.
good. Don't worry about it. We didn't see it. Yo. I just see straight booty, bro.
Bro, what? That was good.
Here, let me rizz up too. Let me rizz up too.
You got Riz. Okay, that'll be T. Quick, Matt.
Why is he not skipping, bro? He's not saying nothing.
Bro. Alright, we're going on to a new person. Come on. I'm just waiting, bro. What?
What's
Is it like
poppin'?
glitch?
Hello. How are you?
Wait, you want another person?
Nah.
Yeah, me neither.
Let me skip.
Yeah, you skip this time. Oh, yeah, no.
I leave on Monday to Sunday.
Come on. Yeah. Hold on.
Hey, Dad, look at you. I gotta try to make it seem like y'all got two headphones on.
That was beautiful, bro. Sing that again. Sing that again, bro.
Wait.
I can't see no song.
Like I know you.
Sing that again. I love
They
that.
don't know
Sing
you
it
like
again.
I know you.
Sing it again.
What happened? Wait, what happened?
You supposed to be doing NPC Harry Potter?
Show your face right now.
Well, you let me know. Is you hood Harry Potter? You from the traps at Hogwarts?
Wait, Paul. I am from the hood, I'm from the hood. Yeah.
Oh, you hood Potter?
I'm Hispanic Potter.
That's some thuggery. Take it off. That's some thuggery, bro.
Yeah. Wait, show your face real quick.
Ah.
I'm joking. Made everyone in the perfect image except for him because he's a.
Oh my goodness.
I'm joking. Sometimes we all have to have some fun. Like that guy, he's joking. PTP. PRP.
Is this the fucking lame niggas call?
No need to say that word, dude. Okay? You can chill the frick out.
Shut the fuck up.
Bitch?
I'm so freaky at like this time of night. I don't know why. Yo, what's good?
What's good?
What's good, bro? I just had to crash out on a black guy, bro. You call me Harry Potter. Do I look like Harry Potter? Be dead honest. Do I look like Harry Potter?
What's up, Jack?
You're loud as fuck.
Am I loud as fuck? You want me to be more quiet?
What? You say he's what?
Yo, am I too loud?
My fault. No cap. He's
Shalom.
he's birding. He's bird.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Birding me.
Jude Bellingham. Hola, ¿cómo
I show
estás?
speed. I show speed.
That's Jude Bellingham.
I'm not black.
Eso es Jude Bellingham.
Oh, Neymar.
What the fuck? That's Jude Bellingham. He plays for Madrid. Madrid.
Oh. World Cup.
Ven, espérate.
Wait. Su.
Espérate.
Espero.
Gracias. Mira. Ha ganado hoy Real Madrid. Espera.
Sí.
¿Dónde está? Madrid. Ahí quedó. Uy, Barcelona es primero.
Barcelona, nada, cero.
No, mira, están primero. Están primero y el Real Madrid segundo. Ya. Mira. Fuck Barcelona. Man. Bro, why are they first? They can suck it. No, I'm joking.
Barcelona, bad.
Very bad.
Hala Madrid.
Yeah. I'm gonna see you later. Jude Bellingham. Wait, Jude Bellingham does not smoke.
I don't smoke. It's so cold.
Oh, Cole Palmer. Sorry, that was fucking weird. I just get freaky when Cole Palmer like is said. Fuck off. Yo falo portu. Hola.
What the fuck?
¿Qué estás diciendo? ¿Por qué estás diciendo eso?
No lo sé, lo digo sin pensar.
Ah, vale.
¿Sois estadounidenses?
¿Qué lo que?
¿Sois estadounidenses o qué?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Sois estadounidenses?
No.
Ah, bueno. Me pone aquí que soy de Estados Unidos.
Ah, sí.
Bueno.
Estoy bien.
Mi amigo, el más fan de Five Nights at Freddy's.
Five Nights at Freddy. I can't do that shit.
Yeah, shut up, goofy ass little nigga. You look like Stuart from Stuart Little. Joe goofy butt. Look at him. Dude look like Stuart from Stuart Little. And I don't know why you laughing, ching ching chong.
Oh, what the fuck?
Show your face.
Boy.
Show your face.
No, I'm not showing nothing, boy.
I'm not
showing nothing.
Show your face.
Do that shit, bro. Nah, cause he got me tight now. Got me tight.
Chacale.
That shit got me angry,
Chacale.
bro.
Yo, what's good?
All right, we gonna fuck ourselves then.
Yo, what's up?
Gamer.
Chile.
What's up, bro? Yeah,
You from Chile?
Yeah.
You speak Spanish down there?
Yeah, a lot.
Bro, everyone speaks Spanish. Yo hablo español. No, yo hablo español, de verdad. Yo soy de España.
¿En serio?
Sí.
Genial. Oye,
Este no sabe nada. Este nada más inglés.
¿por qué no sabe español? ¿Tiene que aprender español también?
Hey, you need to learn Spanish, bro.
Yo quiero aprender inglés, entonces vengo acá a practicar. Generalmente me pierdo mucho cuando se trata de vocabulario porque no tengo mucho.
Sí. Bueno.
Generalmente. Pero bueno, se aprende.
Adiós.
¿Qué es lo que?
Chao.
Amigo. He said you need to learn Spanish, brother. Look, Portugal next to Spain. Like, you falo portuguese.
Hold up, one shit.
Right, chat. I'm owning this now.
They don't love you like I know you.
Hello.
Wait.
Hello.
They don't know you like I know you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait.
You know, bro, us.
Huh?
Where from, bro?
I'm from England.
America.
You're American, you're England. You're English.
England. Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, you know Hindi.
Kurtan nimuruga diak.
That one is Telugu.
Parapati.
I will teach you.
Yeah, Parapati. I know Hindi, bro. Don't look that up. Don't look up what it says, bro.
What?
Jacob said that you have a Jacob said that you have an L hoodie. That's crazy. That's a W hoodie right there.
Bro, what?
That's a nice
Oh,
snazzy
I gotta put on
classic.
deodorant. Hold on. I gotta put on deodorant, gang.
You haven't put deodorant on it yet? That's now. Wait. They don't.
Wait, what?
Sorry, I'm
They don't
tripping.
know you like I know you. Wait. They don't love
They
you
don't
like I
know you
love
like I love you.
Wait.
I'm
putting on deodorant 1 second. Oh, wait. Yo, alright.
Yo. Hello.
I gotta go.
That voice crack was crazy. What? How the hell you not have deodorant? I mean, that's what I'm saying. Oh, that's another person. That's a D31. I don't know who that is. Yo, who are you? Who are you, bro?
I can dance.
Dance then, bro.
Okay. Wait.
Oh shit, he's about to do a whole performance.
Wait.
Do you shave your armpits? Sometimes. Like when they get hairy, obviously.
Listen.
Yes?
Listen.
I dance, bro. I'm sorry. I can't. This is some Moana movie type stuff. This is some Disney type dance. the little reach.
Hey yo, KJ, man, that shit again.